So we just reached Naldehra, Club Mahindra right now, and this is the resort. You can see there was the reception. That side is the Kannauр side. Room number 1127, Maple Block. So we opted for a 1 BR this time. This is somewhat the living area. This is the kitchenette. There's cabinets, and below there's a mini bar, mini fridge. There's plates here. There's cutlery here. There's coffee maker. The washroom is here. Wow, amazing. I love the washroom. And this is our bedroom. Wow, lovely choice of colors. And here's a balcony. But then sadly enough, you can't see anything as of now because we got a room which has rocks in front of it. So sad. Whew. So pretty much sums up my room.